Hello guys, welcome to SimTech Hub. In today's video, I want to show you guys how to register TOFRO account and also verify it successfully. So if you're new to this platform, then I'll leave the link in this video description for you guys to use it to sign up and also verify your TOFRO account. Okay, so I will just open the TOFRO page and guide you on how to create account and also verify it. Okay, so this is the registration portal of TOFRO Exchange. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is to enter our email address over here, and if you don't have an email account, you need to create it right now, okay, because you'll be using an email address to register the TOFRO account. Okay, so since I already have an email, I'll just enter my email address over here. So this is my email. Okay, so I just entered my email address over here. Okay, so the next thing we have to do is to click on this send. Okay, and automatically an OTP code will be sent to this email address. Okay, so what I have to do next is to go to my email account to copy the OTP code. Okay, so let me go to my email and wait for the OTP code to appear. Okay, you can see the TOFRO verification code has appeared. Okay, so I'll just copy this. I'll copy this and come back to the platform and paste in my code over here, the OTP code I received. Okay, so the next thing we have to do is to enter a password. Okay, we will set a password that we will remember. Okay, you don't need to enter anything over here. Okay, just enter something you can remember. Okay, so let me set a password for my account. Okay, so I just finished entering my password, and over here at the confirmed password, you need to enter the same password you entered here again, also over here. Okay, so now what you have to do is to enter this invitation code. Okay, you can see there's an invitation code over here. Okay, I'll leave this invitation code in this video description. Okay, but if you use the link in the video description, the invitation code will appear here automatically, so you shouldn't worry about that. Okay, so you just check this terms and condition, you agree to their terms and condition, then you click on register. Okay, and you can see registration is successfully. Okay, so what you have to do now is to log in. Okay, so let me log into my account. Okay, let me log into the new account I created. Okay, so I just entered my email address over here and my password. Okay, so I'll click on the login to log into my TOFRO account. Okay, you can see we have successfully registered the TOFRO account, and this is the dashboard of the TOFRO. Okay, so now let me show you guys how to verify your TOFRO account. Okay, so to verify the TOFRO account, you need to click on this email address over here. You click on this email address, then you click on this go to authentication. After that, you scroll down here and you click on certification. You see this certification? Yes, you click on that. So what you have to do here is to verify our TOFRO account. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to verify it with a Ghana card. So you need to get your Ghana card ready. Okay, you click on this go to authentication on this junior certification to verify it with our Ghana card. Okay, you do same here at advanced certification. Okay, so first let's start with the junior certification. I'll click on this go to authentication, then I will choose the country. Okay, so since you are in Ghana, you choose Ghana over here, and if you are in any country, you choose the country over here. Okay, so let's say if you're in Japan or Nigeria or Hong Kong or any country, you just choose your country. Okay, so since I'm in Ghana, I'll just choose Ghana over here. Okay, so let me choose the Ghana. Yes, then you enter the city. Okay, so let's say you are in Accra or Kumasi or wherever you are, you just enter your city. Okay, so I'm in Accra, I'll enter the Accra. Then you enter your full name over here. So on your Ghana card, the name you use to register your Ghana card, you enter that full name over here. So let me enter my name. Okay, so on your Ghana card, you see an ID. Okay, the ID starts from JHA- and there's a number on it. So you enter those ID over here if you are using a Ghana card, you enter the code over here. Okay, this is your ID. You just enter the code over here. So when you are done filling the forms, you will just click on this confirm submission. Okay, you click on this confirm submission. Okay, so the details you entered here will be sent to the Tofru team. Okay, will be sent to the Tofru team for them to review. Okay, so when they are done revealing, here will be ticked verified. Okay, here will be ticked verified, as I said. And so when we are done with the junior certificate, then we move on to the advanced certificate. Okay, so to verify the advanced certificate, we need to click on this go to authentication. Okay, so I'll click on this go to authentication, and at this place you need to upload a picture of your Ghana card. Okay, so you click on this upload to select your Ghana card. Okay, so let's say you have snapped your Ghana card already on your phone. You click on this upload and you upload an image of the front page of your Ghana card. Or if you're in any country, you upload the image of the front page of that ID you are using. Okay, ID card you are using. Okay, so when you are done uploading the image over here, you scroll down to this and you also upload a picture of yourself holding the ID. Okay, so let's say you are in Ghana, you just snapped a selfie, you do a selfie of yourself. Okay, so this is KYC verification. Okay, this is called KYC verification, know your customer. Okay, so you also click on upload here to upload the picture of yourself and a Ghana card. Okay, the picture of you holding a Ghana card or the ID card you are holding if you are in any country. Okay, so when you are done uploading, you just click on this confirm submission. Okay, and automatically your details will be sent to the Tofru team for them to review. Okay, so if they review everything successfully, here will also be ticked verified. Okay, here that this go to authentication on the junior certificate and go to authentication on the advanced certificate will be ticked verified. Okay, so let me log into my old Tofro account to show you guys how it will look like if you are verified. Okay, so let me log in. Okay, so you can see on my old Tofru, I have already verified it. So it says the advanced certification is verified. Okay, so let me click on my email address and scroll down here to the certification. You can see it's verified. Okay, I have verified both the junior certification and the advanced certification. Okay, so if this video helped you to register Tofru account and also verify it successfully, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.